Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to be showing you how to find the best digital marketing agency leads through Coldlytics. So let's get started. Step one, targeting. So off the bat, we're going to select small businesses, and we're going to filter our location by San Antonio. San Antonio, Texas, perfect. We're going to just increase the radius to 25 just so we get the outskirts of the city as well. We're going to add that and we're going to hit next to lock it in. So as the title suggests, we are looking for digital marketing agencies today. So I'm going to type that in. And with Coldlytics 2.0, you get this nice little sanity check. So it'll show you the kind of websites that we'll be giving you. So we can just go here and open this just to check that this is what we're looking for. So the first thing I check is location. I usually just scroll down to the footer, and here we go, San Antonio. And then in the services, I just want to see if this is a marketing agency that is what we're looking for. So if we go into the services, oh, reload the website, something up here, we can see that they have SEO and pay-per-click. So perfect, that's exactly what we're looking for. Exit out of there. I'm going to add that. I'm going to hit next to lock it in. And then in the key decision makers, I want to filter by owners and founders and directors and executives, just in case the owner is going by CEO. So next to lock it in. Now on to step two, we have filters. So we're gonna add two filters today. The first one is going to be Google reviews. Now we're gonna leave the review count alone as it doesn't really matter here, but the review score is what is important. So I'm gonna set the minimum to 3 and the maximum to 5. And if you have a product that you're trying to sell to a digital marketing agency, this is sort of the perfect review score range that shows that, these digital marketing agencies care about their perception, they care about improving, and they'll be a good prospect for you to sell your product to. So I'm just gonna hit next to lock that in. And finally, for the filters, I'm gonna go to advanced and I'm gonna go to website keywords because we want websites that have the word SEO. So when SEO appears, I'm gonna add a condition, and we also want paid ads as well. So I'm gonna select appears. So when SEO appears and paid ad appears, but I'm gonna change this and to an or just so that's it's inclusive of either or. And I'm gonna hit next to lock this in. So perfect. And the final step is deliver. I'm gonna click that, and I'm gonna just reset these data points here just to run through them with you. So I'm gonna add all of these data points except for direct dial because it does double the cost of the credits required for this task. So I'm just going to skip over that and add the rest of them. And there's lots of great metrics here that can help you further filter down the perfect leads for your cold email campaigns. And yeah, 31 data points is a huge amount. So, that's the quality you get with Coldlytics. And I'm gonna hit next just to lock this in. I'm gonna finish. We don't need any additional notes. And now that we're ready to launch this task, one thing I recommend, or at least that I do before I launch a task, is I always save it as a draft. That way, if I need to edit something and go back, I can do so like after the fact. And I'm just gonna launch this here, and this will bring us back to our task overview. And as you can see, agencies in San Antonio, it's allocating. This will take about 24 hours for you to get your lead sheet back. And yeah, when you do, it'll be all completed. So thank you so much, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.